Good morning. So let us solve this problem which is already given yesterday. It is a 4 bus system with interconnected transmission lines, again 4. The lines are between 1 2, 2 3, 3 4 and 4 1 as given here. Line impedance is given, which means resistance and reactance parts they are given. First line 1 2, this line is having resistance 0.025 and reactance 0.1. So total impedance is 0.025 plus j 0.1 ohms. Similarly, for other lines the impedance values are given, but to construct Y bus we need admittances. So the problem that is, it is having two parts. In first part you are asked to construct Y bus for the 4 buses and 4 lines as it is without considering this dotted line. Okay, that is the first part. Second part is you are asked to modify that Y bus when this additional line between 1 and 3, bus 1 and bus 3 added, which is having an impedance of 0.1 plus j 0.4. That means a line of 0.1 plus j 0.4 if added between 1 and 3 buses. What are the modifications and how do you modify? So that is the second part of the problem. So for first part of the problem, the line impedances you convert into admittances. So calculate admittances correspondingly. So 0.025 plus j 0.1, 1 over this is 2.35 minus j 9.41. I hope you can do that. Similarly, line this between 2 and 3, its impedance, its corresponding admittances, and so on and so forth. While doing so, I am just briefing you here. Z is R plus Jx, admittance is 1 by Z, reciprocal of admittance is impedance and vice versa. So we want admittance which is 1 by impedance, that is 1 by R plus Jx. The result is G plus Jb. This is resistance and reactance. This is conductance and susceptance. Okay, you should get this value. So when you calculate Z12, which is 0.025 plus j 0.1, reciprocal of this is 2.35 minus j 9.41. So 2.35 is conductance G and susceptance is 9.41 with negative sign. But normally many of you student, knowingly or unknowingly, what you do is R is given, X is given, 1 by 0.025 they write that as Z, 1 by 0.1 they write that as B, which is wrong, absolutely wrong. That you should never do. You cannot take individual reciprocals. Individual reciprocals, it is not the admittance. Okay, total impedance reciprocal, that's what you should do. 1 by R plus Jx, 1 by 0.025 plus j 0.1. The resultant, these are the correct values. Okay, you cannot take 1 by R plus 1 by Jx. This is absolutely wrong. You should never do like this. So that you please keep in mind. Okay, so doing all this for only one I calculated, remaining you can verify. So these are to be computed. Next, without that dotted line shown, form Y bus. So Y bus, which is Y11, Y22, Y33, Y44 diagonals, and off diagonals Y12, Y13, Y14, Y23, Y24, and then Y44 anyway, that is the diagonal. So what is Y11? All of you know what is Y11? Y11 is summation of these two admittances, admittance of 1 2 and admittance of 1 4. So admittance of 1 2, that is this 2.35 minus j 9.41, and 1 4 is this 1.47 minus j 5.88. If you add up, you get Y11. Similarly, Y22 is the summation of these two admittances, Y33 is these two, Y44 these two. Okay, and off diagonal transfer admittances or mutual admittances, Y12 Y12 is negative sum of admittance directly linking 1 and 2. So you need to take this negative minus 2.35 plus j 9.41 it becomes. Okay. Likewise, y11, y12, y13. y13 is there is no direct link which is 0. Okay, because dotted line is not to be considered in first case. So when that is not there, there is no direct line or direct admittance connecting 1 and 3. So that is 0. y14. y14 is this. That 14 is minus 1.47 plus j 5.88. So that is the value of admittance for 1,4. So likewise, it is very easy to construct Y bus, and you write all those values. So I will be writing that for your clarity. Okay. All those values I am writing because they are to be again modified for the second case. So Y bus (3.82 minus j 15.29) minus 2.35 plus j 9.41 0 Okay, that is y11, y12, y13, y14. y22, this is same as y12 is same as y21, is it not? So I am not writing that, I am directly writing y22. So y22 is 5.29 minus j 21.17. y23 is minus 2.94 plus j 11.76, and this is 0. Then y33 I am writing. y33 is minus 4.116 minus j 16.466. Then finally y44 is 2.646 minus j 10.586. So these are the values. Okay. So you can fill up out of symmetry So this is total Y bus for first part without 1 3 line. Okay. Now when this is added, I hope you will be able to get this. Okay. Now if 1 3 is added, if you consider the dotted line, how to modify? So when a line between bus 1 and bus 3, if it is added, what are the new values or which are the elements that are affected? So definitely whenever a line is added, 4 values they need updation. So what are those 4 values? It is getting added between 1 and 3. So Y11 needs modification. So what is Y11 new? And then Y33 new. Okay, it is between 1 and 3. So 1 1 is to be updated, 3 3 is to be updated. Likewise, Y13, which is same as Y31. So these 4 values ultimately are 3 calculations are required: Y11 new, Y33 new, Y13 or Y31 new. What is Y11 new? Is Y11 old plus Y13. Is it not? What is Y33 new? Is Y33 old plus Y13. Y13 new is Y31 new, which is Y13 old minus Y13. Okay. So this is how you can update. All these 4 you can update. What is Y11 new? Y11 old is this. So which is 3.82 minus J 15.29 plus what is Y13? So Z13 is given. Z13 is 0.1 plus J 0.4. So Y13 is 1 by 0.1 plus J 0.4. So this value, it is 0.6 minus J 2.38 or 2.37. So many moles. So this is Y13. So that Y13 is 0.6 minus J 2.37. So whatever you get, that is to be replaced here. So which is 4.408 minus J 17.64. Next, similarly Y33, if you do that, you will be getting 4.704 minus J 18.818. Y13 old, which is 0. So 0 minus of this 0.6 minus J 2.37, and this is going to be minus 0.6 plus J 2.37. Okay, these are the values. So that means you take out this, you write here the new value, which is 4.408 minus j 17.642. So y bus new this is. Okay. Then y33 also to be updated. What is y33 new? 4.704 minus j 18.818. Okay. Then y13 and y31. So y13 earlier it is 0, but now it is minus 0.6 plus j 2.37. Similarly here minus 0.6 plus j 2.37. So this is y bus new. So any doubt in this? Whenever a line between two buses if added, 4 values are to be updated. Okay. If it is between I and k, yii is to be updated, ykk is to be updated, yik which is yki, that is to be updated. So it is between 1 and 3 added. So y11 we calculated new, y33 we calculated new, similarly y13 we obtained new. So because these are self admittances, directly add up this corresponding admittance to the old values. So y11 old plus y13, y33 old plus y13, that is this. If it is mutual, that means transfer admittances, normally we add all admittances between those uh, buses directly with negative sign. So old value minus of that admittance. So old value is already 0, 0 minus this admittance. Okay. So those values are to be substituted. That becomes y bus new. Okay. Right. So next we go with one more problem. So for the y bus given, obtain missing elements, missing values. So this is the problem. So y bus given, it is 0.7 minus j3 minus 0.2 plus j1 minus 0.5 plus j2 y14. y21, y31, y41, y22, y32, y42, minus 0.3 plus j2, y33, y43, minus 0.5 plus j3 minus 1 plus j4 y4 4. So for a particular system, this y bus is given. So some values are already there and some are missing, like y14 is not there, y21, y22, these are all not there. You are asked to obtain all those values. So how do you do that? So it is anyway, you need to follow the uh, characteristics of y bus. Y bus is always symmetric. So y11 is there, y12, 13 are there. So y21, y31, these are same. You can write that y21, this is same as minus y12, therefore minus 0.2 plus j1. Likewise y31, it is same as y13, that is minus 0.5 plus j2. Okay, and then y32, 2, 3 same, that is minus 0.3 plus j2. Okay, and y24, y42, which is minus 0.5 plus j3. Okay, y34 and 43 are same, which is minus 1 plus j4. So this is over, this is over. Likewise this one is over, and then this is over, this is over. Okay, 5 values are over. What about remaining? How do you get y14? It is always in a y bus, the summation of this row wise sum, it is to be always 0. Okay, so when that is to be 0, you add up all this, this must be equal to y14, is it not? You can say this plus this plus this plus this equal to 0. What is y14? y1n or sigma y1n, it should be 0. Likewise sigma y2n is to be 0. Sigma y3n is to be 0. Sigma y4n is to be 0. For this problem, it's a 4 by 4 y bus. So row wise if you add up, you should get 0. Likewise here also it should be 0. Here also it should be 0. So with which you can calculate y22, y33 and also y44. So please do that. I will be giving you the values. What we want, y22. So y22 is 1 minus j6, y33 is 1.8 minus j8, and y44, it is 1.5 minus j7, And what is y14? Y14 is 0. So this is how you can fill up. So this property, that is row wise sum, it is 0 with no mutual admittance. So when mutual values are not there, this principle is applied, or that rule is applied for admittances, that is summation of admittances row wise is 0. It is valid only when mutual admittances are 0 or mutual values are 0. So assume that the mutual values are 0, and you can proceed calculating all missing elements. Okay, this is of course to get an idea if something is missing, how that can be filled up. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you.